Hallo und willkommen. If you are an IT professional and want to work in Germany, then this video is for you. Because in this video, we are going to learn 25 German phrases which are related to IT profession. Okay? No matter if you are a software developer or tester, data analyst, or cloud engineer, but learning useful German phrases which are related to your profession is always useful and beneficial. So, without wasting any time, we'll just start with the video. Now, in this video, as I told you earlier, we are going to learn 25 German IT professional related phrases. Okay, so I have grouped them in 5 sections. Okay, so in first section, this is introducing yourself. First part is introducing yourself. Hallo, ich heiße, meaning hello, my name is. Ich bin Softwareentwickler. I am a software developer. Ich arbeite in der IT-Abteilung. I work in the IT department. Ich komme aus Indien. I come from India. Freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. Nice to meet you. This is all about introducing yourself. Now we'll come to second part, and that is this is office communication. Now in this category, first one will be Können Sie mir helfen? Can you help me? Ich habe eine Frage. I have a question. Ich verstehe das nicht. I don't understand that. Können Sie das wiederholen? Can you repeat that? Bitte sprechen Sie langsam. Please speak slowly. Now, the next category is workplace vocabulary. This vocabulary is specifically designed for workplace, right? The computer funktioniert nicht. The computer is not working. Das Internet ist langsam. The Internet is slow. Ich habe das Problem gelöst. Okay, I solved the problem. Der server is ausgefallen. The server is down. Bitte schicken Sie mir die Datei. Please send me the file. Now the next category is meetings and projects. So this is also very, very important category. Now in this category, first one will be wann beginnt das meeting? When does the meeting start? Ich bin bereit. I am ready. Bereit is ready. Wir arbeiten im Team. We work as a team. Das Projekt ist fertig. The project is finished. Wir haben morgen eine Besprechung, meaning we have a meeting tomorrow. Now coming to our last category, right? Here, part 5. This is everyday office expressions, right? Now here, yeah, in this category, first one will be, können Sie mir eine E-Mail schicken? Can you send an email? Ich bin beschäftigt, meaning I am busy. Ich brauche mehr Zeit. I need more time. Vielen Dank für Ihre Hilfe. Thank you very much for your help. Bis morgen. See you tomorrow. Okay. So those were the 25 most important and common German phrases, you can say, which are related to IT profession. So comment me in the comment box, which is your profession and for which job you are going to Germany. So I will come up with that specific video, okay, and for that specific profession. So that's all for today, friends. Subscribe to my channel. If you are new to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.